Have you guys tried this yet? You gotta try it. Today on LaserNug. Welcome back. I've tried this 5 times now, and I'm actually shocked at how great it comes out. It's AI, and I've tried a couple of different programs off of the internet that are free. Didn't really turn out very well. The pictures would come out wonky when you tried to prompt it, but I finally tried ChatGPT, and I'm 5 for 5 now. I just ordered in a shipment of brand new drinkware from Grosh. It's a brand new model, came out, called Kamloops. It's a chug lid, really big for sports teams. And I wanted to give it a shot, and I thought I'd make this for myself. Let's jump on the computer and I'll show you just how easy it is to use it. So just open your browser, type in ChatGPT. The website will come up in the search, click on it. If it's your first time, it's going to ask you if you want to use your Google account to log in or if you want to create a login. This is the free version. I think there's a premium. And what I'm seeing here after using it a few times is I think the free version only allows you to ask it so many questions in a 24-hour period, because I ran out the other day and it told me I had to wait 7 hours and 23 minutes before I could ask it another question. But it's literally this simple. You'll click through it and you'll see a prompt that says, ask anything. So I did. I wanted to make this tumbler for myself for up north. So all I typed in was, create an image in cartoon format of a happy guy in a tractor plowing snow. It took about 20 to 30 seconds and this showed up. If I had a UV printer, I'd be good to go. But I don't. I want to engrave this on my bolt. So I asked it a second question. I said, now create it in line art with bold lines. I want bold lines because I want to engrave it, so I don't want it to have really thin lines. And sure enough, 20 to 30 seconds later, this came up. That's the ticket. That's exactly what I was looking for. He's happy. He's in a tractor and he's plowing snow. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up, and then right here I'm going to download it to my computer. I'm going to open up LightBurn and I'm going to grab that file, which I believe is this one. It is. I'm just going to drag it down. It's a PNG file. That's usually what it comes out in. I think I could probably ask it to create an SVG file, but I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of new to it. I'm going to trace that image. So I right click the picture, click trace image. Again, traces perfectly on the first go. I'm going to press OK. There's my image. And I'm just going to put that guy over there. There's my trace. And let's just bring it down to my work area. And now I'm going to prep it to put it on my brand new tumbler. I have the PyBurn Grip 2 already set up in my bolt. So I'm just going to size this. And what I'm looking for is a height of about 4 inches. So I'm just going to close that down. Let's grab the logo for my outdoor channel. And let's just ungroup this. Get rid of this cut line because I don't need that. I just want to engrave. I believe that should be grouped now. It is. You know what? Let's put that inside the sun. Just add a little bit of character to it. That should do it a little bit smaller. Okay, excellent. Let's group it. Okay, take a look at it. Let me just sneak over here. Change that to a fill. Let's preview it. Yeah, I think that's going to work out just fine. Nice. Okay, good stuff. I'm going to grab my material library down here. I'm going to go down to Grosh. There we go. Let's grab that one. We'll assign it. I think I'm good. Let me just check my LPI. I'm just going to add a little bit to that. 535. I'm going to use the 2.5 inch lens for this test. I think we're good. 650 at 80. Okay, excellent. I'm just going to check to make sure the laser is connected. It's not. I'm on my bolt. I'm going to right click the devices button to get it to connect. It's now connected. Let's run up here to the rotary. I want to make sure and I've got the correct, and I do. I've got 78.830 millimeters for the diameter, 30,000 steps per rotation. Check, enable, and it says it's reading successfully. I'm going to click OK. I've decided I'm going to grab this tumbler from the bottom instead of by the neck. So I'm going to grab my picture here and I'm going to turn it to the left instead of the right this time. And I'd like to put my user origin right here because I want to try to line it up with the Grosch brand on the side of the cup. Everything looks good. I've already previewed it. Yep, excellent. And now let's send it to the bolt. Just for reference, I've already been running some other tumblers. I'm going to be using my silicone fingers today on the back of that cup. I've already lined up the center of the axis of the chuck with my gantry. I'm level, I'm plugged in, and I'm ready to go. Let me run this out of the way. I put a little mark here that's exactly 180 degrees from the branding. I've already set this up before the video for you folks, so I didn't waste your time. I'm going to lock in. Nice and firm. And I am going to run my tumbler here. Let me just turn it for a minute, make sure I'm lined up with the bottom of this G. I am, and let's turn it back. I'm going to set my origin right here. I'm going to autofocus. Okay, let's frame it, make sure it's in the right spot. I'm really liking the look and the feel of these new cam loops. It's the first time I'm using them. It's got the premium brand on there. It's triple wall vacuum sealed. It is leak proof. It's got a chug lid and it's everything free. Plus, once again, it's dishwasher safe. Let's clean it up. So that didn't turn out too badly. I think I probably could have made this graphic probably another inch to an inch and a half bigger because I've got a lot of leftover real estate on the sides. So I think when I do the next one for my second buddy up there, I'm going to make it larger, and it's pretty good. But I think I would have preferred the line art to be thicker lines. I wonder, let's just jump back into ChatGPT. I've got it here, it looks good. Let me ask it if it can make the lines thicker. The lines thicker. Oh, and it did. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Yeah, it definitely made them thicker. So this, I think, yeah, let me check. Oh yeah, much thicker. Yeah, so this is the picture I should use. I'm just going to download that. Give it a thumbs up. Download it. Great. Should have done that first. Yeah, that's pretty easy. I should have made those lines thicker, at least asked it. I'm still new to it, so I'm not sure what you can ask it, but I guess, you can ask it anything you want. I hope that's been helpful for you good folks. I'm going to grab another one, burn it with the larger picture, with the broader lines, and see how that turns out. Thanks so much for sticking around today. I hope you found it helpful. Have a wonderful week. Please be kind to each other. And I'll see you again right here. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching Laser Nug. Cheers. I'm a big fan of the chug lid.